Stop juggling multiple apps, because your ultimate productivity weapon is hiding in plain sight. First up, Evernote, the familiar friend. Notice the simple interface. To create a new note, click the plus button. Evernote shines with its effortless organization using notebooks and tags. Perfect for quickly capturing thoughts and web clippings. Now, let's look at Notability. See how smoothly the pencil glides. This is where handwritten notes become powerful. Import PDFs and annotate directly on them. Record audio synths to your writing, a game changer for students and visual thinkers. Next, we have Obsidian, the knowledge architect. Observe the interconnectedness. Create notes and link them together like building blocks. The graph view visually reveals connections, turning your notes into a personal Wikipedia. Finally, meet Notion, the all-in-one powerhouse. Watch how easily you can build a custom dashboard. Create notes, databases, project trackers, all within a single workspace. It's highly customizable, but demands more setup time. So, Evernote is best for simplicity, Notability for handwriting, Obsidian for building a knowledge base, and Notion for comprehensive project management. Your ideal tool depends on your workflow. Experiment and find your productivity soulmate.